Okay, so this video I will show you how to solve the setup.exe, which is you want to execute the setup or your setup wizard, and there is 3 steps to do that. First, you need to check if your Windows update having something like need to uninstalling or restarting. Just do that, guys. It's really required for the potentially solving the potential issues. And the two next steps, which is by opening CMD, and please get this command as sfc scan now, and you need to open it as run as administrator, which is you put yes, and then you need type to this one, which is sfc scan now, and you just press enter, and you will have that. And there is this online cleaning system, which is you need to clean image and restore the health for your PC. After that time, you need to get your setup good properly to deliver. I hope you like the video. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace.